Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding Gadgets. Today I'm unboxing the Alien Rider M2 Pro system. Now this is the full system. It retails at $498. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I haven't gone into the kit yet. So it's the first time I'm opening it as well. I like it to be a surprise for me as well as you. Let's get this off. Alien Rider, breaking out your boundaries. Thank you for choosing our product. There's a QR code on the back of this. Right, we can look at that later. Right, first of all, tire pressure monitors. So there's two of these. They're quite nice with the Alien Rider logo on them. So obviously they'll just go into the tire valves. Right, there's probably a load of wiring behind these. This is the screen itself. I think it's 1440 by 720 pixels. I'll need to double check that and see exactly what it is. Right, it's got a RAM mount on the back of it, or a ball mount I should say really. Right, one camera. They're Sony sensor cameras from what I read. And they've got 3M VHB tape on them, and you can screw them in as well, I think. Now I can see. Let's take the other one out. Camera number 2. And this is the Lidar or radar sensor. And that's the kit basically. That's all fairly straightforward. The good thing with this is you're buying one complete system. I know if you're comparing it to just like buying a display on its own, it's going to seem expensive. But at $498, I think it represents good value. Now, I haven't tested the system yet, but for those of you in the Smart Riding group and on the YouTube channel, if you've been following that, you'll know I fitted the M901 spotlights from Alien Rider 3 or 4 days ago. And I have to say they're simply the best spotlights I've ever used. And I've had lots of different lights on my GSs over the years. Everything from PIA to Wonderlicht to Touratech, you name it, I've tried them. All the decent ones. And these just blow them out of the water, which is why I'm fairly confident that this is going to be good. Right, this is just all wiring. Yep. Okay. Well, that's cool. There's a little kind of cover for the display. That's quite nice. So you can cover that up with that. Although I have to say I would have preferred if this was white so it reflects the heat, because I found that to be a problem in this very hot summer we're having. But that's me just being picky, I suppose. Right. Oh, I'm dropping things. Right. Here's one mount. Lots of screwdrivers, bits and pieces, spacers for the mounts. Right. Alcohol wipes. They've put everything in really that you could need. I think they've just basically covered for everything that you could possibly need to do this install, I think. But yeah, it's all there. This looks like the mount, and there's spacers for this there as well. Let's see what's in this one. Right. There's another one of these remote controls. If you've seen some other videos where I've tested other units, I'm not a big fan of these. I don't see the point in them. I may not even fit this, just for your information, because I'd rather just press the screen that's in front of me than use one of these. Right, this is power wire, because that's got ACC signal wire, same for the yellow one. So this is power. It's power cable. Yeah, it's all fairly straightforward. There's nothing complicated, I think. Alright, it's got a screen protector in there as well. Oh, that's cool. That's a nice touch. Patch installation cleaning kit. Right, so there's a screen protector you can fit as well. That's included in the kit. So as I said, $498 gets you all of this. So what are you getting for your money? You're getting a 1440 720 display. I think it's 6 inch, 6.2 inch. I need to double check that again. Two 1080p Sony sensor cameras, the Lidar detector, and the two tire pressure monitors. Now that's not bad. I mean, I think that's good value for the entire kit. But anyway, I'll be doing the fitting of this very shortly, and then we'll be doing road tests, etc. over the next month or even 2 months probably. Thanks.